Thank you so much, Gio. The three police groups representing more than 14,000 policemen and women today dismissed claims that they have rejected the government's wage offer. The groups say they have delayed signing the document as the Finance Ministry has failed to address anomalies highlighted by the Federation, the Police Officers Association, and the District Constables Association. Anthony Lugg has the details.
Holding ground. The position of the three police groups in the ongoing wage negotiations with the government. Frustration has, however, been growing among members who've been calling on the leader of the groups to vote on the government's wage offer. But at a press conference on Thursday, Chairman of the Police Federation, Corporal Rohan James, who represents rank and file members, addressed the matter.
We have not rejected any aspect of compensation, because that is not within the remit of the executive body, and we have not rejected the compensation review. We simply demand the information in totality from the government of Jamaica.
Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark said the government has set aside $11.8 billion for increased wages to the police groups under the compensation review. However, Chairman of the Police Officers Association Senior Superintendent Wayne Cameron pointed to anomalies with some pay scales and conversion methods which he says put some of his members at a disadvantage.
That having highlighted the challenges in writing at meetings and not getting a favorable response is what has become frustrating to the Officers Association and its joint groups. That is what is affecting us. So when those pronouncements are made about 600 million to pay the officers, we cannot accept 600 million with those types of issues that I just pointed to.
So, with the chairman making their position clear, it's left to be seen if and how soon these issues would be addressed by the Finance Ministry. Until then,
we ask of our membership to continue to hold strain, have faith and trust in our position so that we can provide you with the information in your best interest.
We will not hold ourselves accountable for any issues that is not going to work to the advantage of the officer corps and the members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Meanwhile, Chairman of the District Constables Association, Damian Price, says based on the offer proposed, his members believe they deserve more.
We believe in your welfare, and if we don't carefully examine when we sign, you'll cry in the future.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.